So, as part of our discussions, we are going to discuss about encryption and out of encryption. The PKI infrastructure or the public key infrastructure comes into the picture. So, let's understand the concept of public key and private key. And since people are facing a lot of problems, so we would like to have a small role play so that we can explain it in a better manner. So let's say we start with going onto the website of Google, enter to our Gmail account, and for today's role play we have Alex and another person who is Imran. They both have a username and password in Google. So they went into your Gmail account. Okay. And every Gmail account will assign two keys to you. One we call it as public key for Alex and one private key for Alex. And here they will assign a public key for Imran and private key for Imran. Now the concept of public key means that this is available to everybody from the Digital Certification Authority. Okay. So you enter into your Gmail account. You want to send a message to Mr. Imran. And you want to write in the message, hi or how are you? And you want them to reach in such a manner that only Imran can read what is written here. And also the second scenario, want to make sure that this message is only coming from Alex. So now we have two scenarios. One, we want to make sure whatever is happening. So what will happen? Let us demonstrate on the board and then we will do the role play. Now what is happening is that Alex, since he is logged into Gmail account, so Gmail knows, he will ask that I want to send in the second email Imran's email address, imran@gmail.com. So he will ask for the public key of Imran from gmail.com. So how Okay, in the first scenario, what you are going to do, that you will ask from me a public key of and that's all about public key infrastructure. So for today we are ending it here and we are going to come back.